Hey guys, good afternoon. It's XSRide Tokyo, talking in English. So today I'm going to Shibuya now, in the night on a weekday. It looks so beautiful city, night view in Tokyo. Today I have several change, as you see now. Actually, it's end of the winter. It's February, end of the period. We are getting really warm in Tokyo, so I can ride. Despite it's in night, but I can ride with my hoodies and summer clothes for summer rides. And I feel so. I decided to go out for today. And I'm heading to Shibuya now, as I told you. I'm going to a shrine in the middle of Tokyo after that. Anyway, I'm heading to there. Let's go! I guess there's several bikes on me because it's warm day. By the way, I'm telling you, for those who watched my video when I went through Tokyo in a rush hour, this is the road I went through there, cause it's night time, so not so many cars are going for downtown. And we feel it's really easy to ride. By the way, I can't afford to speak in English on my riding anymore, so with all English speaking from now. Sometimes I may speak in Japanese if I feel it's really hard to speak in English, such as difficult meaning or like that. But anyway, I can assure that I'm adding subtitles for them, for sure. Wow, it's really fun. It's really exciting, cause it's really been a while that we rode on such a warm day. We feel any entertainments on the quarter, so I can enjoy for the ride today. Anyway, first I'm showing you the way to Shibuya with my token, cause it's the first time for us to go Shibuya with my XSR. Look at the opposite lane. It's a high demand for the rush home of them. Wow, this is such a crazy Tokyo's view in a night. But it looks beautiful for us having not so many traffic. Can you see the Shinjuku skyscrapers? Wow, looks really cool. By the way, the highway line is above us. We get really great view from there, actually. We gotta just keep going straight on this way with the bike in front of me. Can you make what the bike is at? Wow, it's little Kobe City in his number plate. That is actually really far from here. Waiting just behind him. The curve looks so great. It's really much for the street scenery in Tokyo, such a futuristic metropolitan city. Something scooter is behind me. Wow. Let's go. Is there any streets like this in your country, by the way? I like that. I really like that billboard on the left of us. Overtaking him, and can I overtake the traffic lights in time? Oh, I did it. By the way, I can totally afford to set the appropriate RPM when I shift down without looking on tachometers. Cause I had so much training with my other bikes in Tokyo, so I can afford to in English. I think other riders in Tokyo may feel it's really hard to talk even though in Japanese, but I can afford this easily anymore. So you can enjoy the scenery in Tokyo despite I'm merely a Japanese who cannot speak in English in common, you know. And I'm standing on this land, Tokyo, Japan, as only one person who can speak in English with my bike YouTube. So I wish I could get more fame for the worldwide. Wow, there's a cop's car. Woo! That. But there was a little gap. Good for bike. And actually there is Shinjuku metropolitan city just in front of us, and turning left to heading to Shibuya. And here has also a highway line above us, but it's gradually going down and getting into a tunnel to Shibuya and Shinagawa, heading to Bayside and Hane Airport. By the way, that is a bus from Hane Airport, I think, from the exit ramp of the line just beneath the bridge structure. Look at this, such a great scenery with my XSR. And the scenery in Tokyo. By the way, I can afford to show you guys the back streets around here. So let's get inside one of them. Such attractions is not only for the metropolitan big avenues in Tokyo. I really like back roads such this. And the monthly cost is so high, in fact, around here, cause it's almost Shibuya. But you know, Shibuya means body in Japanese meaning. So we have several mountains around here. No mountains, good. Sorry. I wanted to mean hill. So many hills like this. So it's way better to trip around here with bike, not bicycle. I mean. And I needed to turn left here once, and actually there's a railway on the right us, so we need to cross there with a red cross. I didn't remember where that is though. Okay, there is. And Shinjuku is there. Wow, looks cool. It's really cool. And we gotta stop in front of the red cross. And we gotta stop again with this stop. Okay. And here is a really expensive mansion. Apartment in Tokyo. Actually, it costs almost 3 million yen only in a month. Okay, wait. Don't rush. Don't rush. Be in rush meaning you got close to the accident in Tokyo, you know. This is it. Wow, luxury looking. I gotta check my camera angle is preferable or not before I'm getting into Shibuya. Okay, I think that is preferable for you guys, I think. Wow, there is a Porsche's car, supercar. By the way, we are really finding many supercars out in this Tokyo so easily. Many Ferraris and Lamborghinis are driving around here as usual. So if we want to see them, please give me your opinion in the comments field, so that I'm planning to have a ride to find out them. Okay, we got the town right here to get in Shibuya. That is the main building in front of us. That really bright one at the top point of the building, that is just beside the center cross of the Shibuya, and it's called Shibuya Scramble Square. We can see so beautiful scenery all over the world, all over the Tokyo from the top of the building, so it's really famous. And like the white cap, I'm getting into the street on the left of us to center of the Shibuya. Many people are walking out here. I think they are going back their home to the junction as I'm heading to is for the station Shibuya. And we have another station behind me, so walking opposite directions is also heading to a station, you know. I mean, by the way, it's a little windy day. As we see now, it's almost Shibuya. The yellow flags along with the street it's written Okushibu for each. Okushibu means I don't know how to say English though. far side of Shibuya streets. Okushibuya. She was attempting to jump out of the road, and the boyfriend of her stopped to do so. Okay, we got here streets in Shibuya. Okay, see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. I can see just also it also huge. This is a wow. There's not only traffic but also humans. Wow.